Are you in there? I'm checking up on all you VW folks. Well, hey everybody. Welcome to another exciting video. Today we're going to do the finer points of installing and removing a VW spark plug in the air-cooled engine. There are some tricks to that, and we'll be showing them to you here shortly. We're in our borrowed bay, and we're going to take out the spark plugs. By the way, the spark plug, the socket size is 13/16 inch. The spark plug has steel threads. VW heads are made out of aluminum, so the threads inside the head is aluminum, and they're soft. Okay, so we attach the socket to the end of the extension there. It snaps right on. What we want to do here, connect that guy on there till it slips on all the way. You can feel some resistance. Now, as you go to take it out, if it's really hard, you want to break it, as they say, just enough to get it moving, and then flip your ratchet around here, and then tighten it back up a little bit. Then we're going to loosen it a little bit, tighten it up a little bit, loosen it up a little bit. That'll keep the threads from stripping out on the head because they're soft aluminum. And then once you get it where it's getting looser and looser, you can just take it out all the way. And that'll prevent you from stripping the threads out in the aluminum head and having to take it to the shop. Sometimes they break real easy. And there you go. I suggest Bosch plugs because the threads on Bosch plugs are rolled in the factory, as they call that, so the edges are not real sharp. You can run other brands of spark plugs in a VW engine that's air-cooled, but these threads will feel really razor sharp to your finger, and they're more likely to seize in the head than a Bosch plug. You're looking at the hole, the threaded hole into the head that the spark plug is going to be inserted into. Okay, so now we're going to install the plug. So the spark plugs need to be torqued to 22 to 29 pounds. I would suggest 25 pounds. If you don't have a spark plug torque wrench, then you put the guy in there by hand, and you gotta kind of feel a little bit. It takes a little bit of a touch. There we go. And you tighten it up with your fingers. It takes a little bit. Water-cooled engines have a big advantage because a lot of spark plugs are just right up front there and you can get right to them with no problem. Okay, so then you put your tool back on here, your socket. There we go. And where it needs to be torqued to 25 pounds if you have a torque wrench. If you don't, tighten it up to it till you get resistance. Some good resistance. You tighten it up till it feels tight. You might be able to do that like I was doing with the fingers. Sometimes not, the older the engine gets. Okay, it's right there. So to get to 25, you just take it another quarter turn. Right to there. And you're good to go. I want to thank you all for following me. I always appreciate your comments, your suggestions. You can put those down below. Please subscribe to my channel. That would help out a lot. And it's encouraging to me that I'm able to help you all with your VW and your happy Farfignugan down the road as we go. And continue to follow my videos, please. And thank you again, and happy Farfignugan.